Banu Mushtaq, a Kannada writer, has given Indians all the reasons to be proud of her. Today, I, Dr. Anamta Rizvi, your UPSC English Literature faculty, will be discussing about the very recent news about Banu Mushtaq winning the International Booker Prize. Now, of course, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, prestigious बात है, and a very potential question to be asked in your exam. Also, now this makes me to a very important question about Booker Prize. Booker Prize क्या था, कब आया, कैसे वो International Booker Prize में इसकी category आई, winners Banu Mushtaq के बारे में. So today we are going to talk a lot about all these aspects. So let's go ahead with our lesson for the day. So guys, as we all know, Banu Mushtaq, a Kannada writer जिनका translated work जीता है. The name of the book is The Heart Lamp. So we are going to talk about this. So now let's talk about Booker Prize. What is the Booker Prize? So this Booker Prize is one of the most prestigious literary awards in the world. अगर हम लोग literature के बारे में बात करें, जितना भी literary writings है across the world, this is one of the most important, most prestigious award जिसका एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में जो भी इंग्लिश में किताबें आती हैं, ट्रांसलेट होती हैं, दे क्वालिफाई. ट्रांसलेटेड वर्क्स ऑलवेज कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज अवार्ड. This recognizes the best original novel written in English and published in the UK or Ireland. History of the Booker Prize started in 1969, originally known as the Man Booker Prize after its sponsor Man Group until 2019 when it became simply the Booker Prize. So 1969 में this Booker Prize आया था, उसको Man Booker Prize बोलते थे because 2019 तक ओके सो 2019 तक मैन ग्रुप ने इसको फंड किया था, इसको स्पॉन्सर किया था. सो दिस वाज द रीजन. बट आफ्टर 2019 द मैन ग्रुप विथड्रू एंड इट जस्ट सिंपली started being addressed as the Booker Prize. Purpose of this award? To reward the finest literary fiction in English, enhancing the global recognition of literature. So Booker Prize में जितना जो सबसे अच्छी बुक लिखी गई होगी इंग्लिश में, उसको अवार्ड किया जाता है. रिकग्निशन मिलता है, एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिलता है, एक बढ़ावा मिलता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स अदर राइटर्स के एक बेंचमार्क क्रिएट होता है दैट यस दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ बुक जो कि रीडर्स को पढ़ना चाहिए, जो कि राइटर्स को लिखना चाहिए. सो दिस बिकम्स वन ऑफ द लैंडमार्क वर्क्स. Eligibility open to authors from any country provided that the work is written in English language. Okay, so this is important कि ये बस English में चाहे वो translate किया गया, चाहे वो कन्नड़, गुजराती, चाइनीज, जापानीज, आप कोई से भी लैंग्वेज में लिखिए, लेकिन वो ट्रांसलेट करना होना इंग्लिश में. जो ट्रांसलेटेड वर्क से हम रिपीटिंग वो इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज के लिए क्वालिफाई होते हैं, और जो वर्क जो सिंपली ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लिखे होते हैं वो बुकर प्राइज के लिए क्वालिफाई होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड टू दिस कैटेगरी. सबसे पहले कैटेगरीज पे आते हैं हम लोग. द बुकर प्राइज फिक्शन अवार्ड जो होता है, अवार्डेड एनुअली फॉर द बेस्ट ओरिजिनल नॉवल. ओके, जो बुकर प्राइज एक फिक्शन के लिए अवार्ड होता है वो नॉवल को मिलता है. अवार्डेड एनुअली फॉर द बेस्ट ओरिजिनल नॉवल. इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज recognizes works of global importance, specifically rewarding translated fiction. तो जो भी लैंग्वेज में है, कोई से भी लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेटेड इंग्लिश में होगा तो उसके लिए क्वालिफाई होगा. अदर बुकर अवार्ड, these include the Booker Prize for non-fiction, the Booker Prize for fiction by South Asian writer and others. So there are other categories also of Booker Prize. Why is the Booker Prize so important? It significantly boosts the sales and international visibility of the winning books. So of course, guys, first of all, let's talk about one thing. This is a Booker Prize that is recognized by the white world. Our fascination of white world still is not over. We always regard कि yes, white world में जो कि recognition, acknowledgement मिल रहा है, मतलब कि worldwide है, worldwide recognition है. So an award that is so prestigiously considered in the most you can say बहुत ही important, significant way, तो वो of course becomes relevant to us as well. अगर हम लोग उसको कंपेयर करें, सो यस द साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड दैट वी इंडियंस रिसीव, जो इंडियन राइटर्स को ही मिलता है, दैट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज लाइक बुकर प्राइज को हम लोग उससे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. बस बुकर प्राइज का रिकग्निशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाइड होता है बिकॉज वो ग्लोबली रिकग्नाइज्ड होता है. साहित्य अकेडमी इज ओनली country limited, country confined. So it highlights literary diversity and cross-cultural narrative. That's true कि literary diversity की क्या-क्या चीजें लिखी जाए. अब imagine what a Kannada writer is writing will be so different what is being written in Japan or China or Australia. बट नाउ जब रीडर्स और राइटर्स को पढ़ेंगे तो कल्चरली कितना अवेयर होंगे, इसके बारे में पता चलेगा. So then this helps authors gain worldwide recognition and everything. So of course, recognition milta hai, you are acknowledged for your wonderful work, you get appreciation, you get awarded for this. So now talking about Banu Mushtaq, so this is Banu Mushtaq who has won the award, and this is the translator जिन्होंने translate किया था ये work. दोनों के नाम important है guys. So Banu Mushtaq, background and literary contributions, if we have a look at this, she was born in 1948 in Karnataka in India. Mushtaq is a lawyer, she is a social activist, she is a writer renowned for her contribution to Kannada literature. So Kannada literature में बहुत contribute किया है. So of course she has a huge name there. Genres, fiction, short stories and essays, poetry, इन सब पे उन्होंने work किया है. She's written short stories, essays, poetry, और of course social issues like gender, inequality, caste, oppression and women's right. All the issues which are seminal to Indian women, that is addressed by Banu Mushtaq. Mushtaq's recognition is a prominent advocate for women's rights and an active member of the Bandya Sahitya movement, which critiques caste, class and religious oppression. So yes, अगर देखा जाए so she's always on the forefront of human rights as feminist movements, because whatever she's been a part of it, and she has critiqued caste, class and religious oppression. Then moving ahead, we have the importance of Mushtaq's win. Now, why is Banu Mushtaq's win so important for all of us? So, winning the International Booker Prize, इनका book title का जो नाम है, that is Heart Lamb. Okay, that is Heart Lamb, originally written in Kannada, and then translator is by Deepa Bhasti. Remember, Deepa Bhasti is the one जिन्हें translate किया है for the English version. Significance: Heart Lamb became the first Kannada work to win International Booker Prize. Okay, इससे पहले भी हमारे International Booker Prize हमें एक और author को मिल चुका है, but she becomes the first author to win in Kannada writing. So marking a historic moment for regional literature in India. अब हार्ट लैम्प इज बेसिकली अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी कलेक्शन, 12 स्टोरीज का कलेक्शन है वो, एंड ये फोकस करता है द लाइव्स ऑफ मुस्लिम वुमेन इन सदर्न इंडिया एंड एड्रेसेस थीम्स ऑफ पेट्रियार्की, जेंडर, इनइक्वालिटी एंड रेजिलियंस, कि किस तरह से इनइक्वालिटी होती है, कैसे वो रेजिस्ट करते हैं, कैसे रेजिलियंस आता है. The short story collection, जो कि 12 short stories हैं, they offer an intimate portrayal of marginalized women and their struggles. Over here, this picture, you can see Banu Mushtaq proudly holding the International Booker Prize Award trophy. Then you have Mushtaq's impact on Indian and global literature. Cultural impact: Mushtaq wins bring global attention to regional Indian writing. That's so important. That a writing that is being recognized, that is that a Kannada writing being recognized, ये बहुत बड़ा जीत है even for Kannada writers. उनको एक impetus मिला, एक boost मिला है to go ahead with their literature, because जो कि कहते हैं ना कि कन्नड़ लिटरेचर का जैसे हमारा इतना लिमिटेड है स्कोप, बिकॉज कन्नड़ राइटर्स कम है एज कम्पेयर टू इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश तो हमारे अक्रॉस द कंट्री बोली जाती है, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब बोली जाती है, बट नो translated works, अगर हम translated works की बात करें तो they have a wider scope. Okay, so that is something that's very important for writers, especially regional writers. This is often underrepresented in the global literature. So ये सारे जो Kannada literature है और whatever regional literature, हमें लगता है they are underrepresented, but no, now they are getting recognition through translated works and all. Breaking barriers: the victory of a regional work highlights the importance of translated literature and brings local stories into the global conversation. So that's important. Even the story of जिनको हमें लगता है कि insignificant होंगी stories, इनको कौन पढ़ेगा, इनको कौन recognize करेगा, but no, Banu Mushtaq's work has shown that there is no story that is insignificant. सबको importance मिलता है, globally recognition मिला है, that's a huge thing, and that gives a huge impetus to regional writers. Empowerment: Mushtaq's work brings forth the voices of women and marginalized community into the forefront, into conversations, contributing to gender equality and social change through literature. अब guys imagine, because of Banu Mushtaq's work, कितने सारे इसकी readership कितनी बड़ी होगी. people must be buying books, people एकदम से इसका boost हुआ होगा सेल में and इसके ऊपर conferences होंगी, papers लिखे जाएंगे, she can be included in her PhD works, a UPSC question can come on her. So this is the reason कि किस तरह से ये सारी stories आती हैं forefront में, relevant हो जाती हैं, इनके ऊपर discourses होते हैं, discussions होते हैं. So this is how it becomes of high importance. Over here again, there's a picture of Deepa and of Banu Mushtaq holding the book, and that is the translator and the writer. Then significance for India, this is the first Kannada work to win the prize, something to be very, very proud of. That Mushtaq Heartlamp is the first work in Kannada literature to win an International Booker Prize. Global recognition of Indian writing. So it's not only that Kannada literature, but Indian writing in general. So this is, as I'm saying that, चाहे वो कितनी कोई भी रीजनल राइटर हो, उनको सबको बहुत बूस्ट मिला है with Banu Mushtaq going ahead with an international, winning the International Booker Prize. And the role in elevating Indian women's literature, especially writing by a woman for the women, which is narrated, which is including only female stories, female protagonists as the one that they're narrating stories. So that becomes highly important. And then guys, conclusion, key takeaways, important kya hai? The Booker Prize plays a very important role in bringing global attention to literary excellence in English and translation. So Booker Prize एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, because globally every corner of the world looks forward to कि इस साल किसको Booker Prize मिला है, International Booker Prize किसको मिला है. तो yes, Banu Mushtaq has again made India very proud, and Banu Mushtaq achievement is historic not just for her but for Indian literature as such, and her first significance increases the importance of regional voices. So yes, this we have to discuss. अब translated works भी discussion में आएंगे, and इससे सिर्फ कन्नड़ नहीं but जितने भी regional writers हैं इनके discussion में आएंगे. And I'm very sure that there would be a huge demand for this literature coming up, and yes, fingers crossed, we can of course win many such awards in the future, and we hope कि regional literature ऐसे ही बढ़ता रहे. So guys, this was all about Booker Prize and Banu Mushtaq. So guys, talking about my course which is starting from 2nd June, please go ahead, purchase the course. And this is Dr. Anamta Rizvi, UPSC English Literature Educator. About myself, I did my PhD from Department of English, Jamia Millia Islamia. I have taught a lot of UPSC students who are now comfortably enjoying their wonderful position as civil servants. About my course, it starts every day. 1 बजे क्लास होगी, पूरा का पूरा कोर्स कवर होगा. आपको poetry, drama, fiction, whatever is in the course will be discussed in detail. And you will be getting notes, you'll be getting question answers, you'll be getting practice questions, techniques to teach you how to perfect your answers, how to better your writing. Everything will be taught. You can use my code ARLIVE 14999 का ये course है, and once you apply this code, you will get a good discount. So go ahead, purchase the course, be in the classes, and yes, do enjoy this journey of studying, learning, and qualify your exam. Thank you, everyone. I will see you all in the classes.